Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Dulce. In today's video I want to do how to turn your old phone case to a cute and new phone case. But I will use these rhinestone stickers from Kingdollar. So let's see how it goes and I will show you how to do it. So let's get started. Okay, now I'm showing you that you need an old case that you have, and you will get these kind of stickers to put it. They sell them at the Kingdollar for only $1.25 each. I got 3 packages of the rhinestones and 1 package of the letter D because my letter D is my initial for my first name. So as you can see, I'm here right now sticking the letter D first before putting all the rhinestones. So first I got the purple, more dark purple rhinestones, and I started to put them at the bottom first, as you can see. And if you have excess of rhinestones, you just could pull them and take away the ones that you do not need and just put it on the side, so whenever you need them you could get them and don't throw it away, the extras. Now I'm getting the lighter purple color rhinestones, and that's my pattern, like the dark first, the lighter next, and I would just go on and on and on putting them. It took a little bit of time. As you can see, I was like not showing you at the first time. Like, it takes time. You need time and patience to do it. It took me this for about more than an hour, because you can see on the edges I didn't put the rhinestones, but then I decided to put them. So at the end of the video you will see that at the end I did actually put the rhinestones all over the case. So right now I'm just like making sure that the rhinestones are right and taking the excess of the rhinestones. Like I said, it's a pattern. If you just want one color, you could do it in one color. Like the dark purple, it's like a really pretty color to put it on all the case. But I just decided to do it one darker, one lighter, one darker, and one lighter. So as you can see, I will show you how I'm doing it, trying to measure the stuff, the rhinestones, and see that they are. Another thing, you need to pull them down really tight so you don't have a lot of gaps in it. So hopefully I like it. This is like something new to me. Hopefully it turns out good. So stay tuned for more. So now I'm finished. Here's the finished product. As you can see, it turned out okay. It wasn't like not that perfect, but it's just right. You will need to wait to use the case until all the rhinestones stick really good on the case before using it, because if you don't, the rhinestones will fall out. But here it is. I really like how it turned out. Hopefully y'all like it too. And yes, I decided to put other rhinestones all over the edges of the phone too. Hopefully you like it. Please give me a thumbs up, comment, and subscribe. Bye everybody.